What's up, gentlemen? So one of the big misconceptions when it comes to confidence is thinking that it's a destination, right? Somewhere that you get, or something that you can get, something tangible. And once you get it, or once you get there, then you're good, right? You feel amazing and you're a confident savage that never feels insecure or inadequate. When the truth is, confidence is very complex. There's no one-size-fits-all solution to everybody, and it's an evolution, right? It's constantly evolving and changing based on you, your environment, what you learn, what you do, what you don't do, and the people that you're around. Unfortunately, though, one of the things that interferes with us feeling as good as we possibly can about ourselves is the fact that we are making certain mistakes that unfortunately are killing our confidence and self-esteem. Today, guys, in an attempt to help you boost your confidence, we're gonna go over some of those mistakes. If you identify them first, you can fix them, and if you fix them, you can crush the world. Gentlemen, if you're ready, why don't you crush that thumbs up button down below to tell the algorithm to suck it? Number one is gonna be hard for some of you to hear, and that is you are with the wrong person in terms of your partner or your spouse. Whether or not it's a man, it's a woman, whoever, it doesn't matter to me. I'm just saying, when you are with somebody that is not right for you, it destroys your self-esteem and confidence. You've got to be honest with yourself. It may mean that you got to make some hard decisions or really think about things, but if you're truly ready to be happy and confident, you've got to make sure that you're with somebody that uplifts you, that makes you feel good about yourself. Which brings me to number two, your friends suck. Right? Once again, it's not that they're bad dudes, but if you're surrounding yourself with people that aren't uplifting you or that are doing a lot of self-destructive things that are dragging you down, there's no way you're going to feel great about yourself. Once you shed this baggage and outgrow them, gentlemen, you're going to be amazed at how much better you feel, not to mention how much more confident you become. Number three is you're doing self-destructive things that you know are not good for you. All right? Whether or not it's drinking, it's going out, it's eating bad food, it's neglecting your body, right? It's procrastinating. Like, you know when you're doing something you shouldn't be doing. And unfortunately, when you keep doing it, it affects you in very weird ways. One of those ways is your confidence, because you know you shouldn't be doing it. And so what happens every time you do it, it's this internal battle. You're beating down your confidence little by little. The longer you do it, the lower it gets. Gentlemen, when you stop, when you finally take care of yourself and stop doing the self-destructive things, you're going to be amazed at how much better you feel about yourself. It literally is like instant. Number four, you're financially fucked. And what I mean by this is you're living above your means, or you don't have a plan. You don't have a budget. You're spending money that you don't have. When you do this, I know because I used to do this, right? It affects you in a very negative way. When you're always thinking about and worried about money, it destroys your confidence. It also robs you of joy. The first step and thing that I would recommend each and every one of you do is make a budget. How much money is coming in? How much is going out, right? The two areas of your life that you can cut spending the fastest and easiest is what you drive and where you live. It's about getting a handle on what you're spending. If you don't need it, you shouldn't buy it. And if you're buying it on credit, you can't afford it. Next mistake that's absolutely killing your confidence, which is one that blows my mind, and that is you not fixing the things that you're insecure about that you can fix. So many of the things that we worry about, right, are totally treatable, preventable, or fixable, right? You don't like your body, you don't like your man boobs, you don't want to take your shirt off and you're embarrassed to be naked? Fix it. Go to the gym. Start eating better. Don't like your teeth? You don't want to smile? Go to the dentist. Go to the orthodontist. Get veneers. Whiten your teeth. Don't like your skin? Use T. Hanley. You got an itty bitty weenie? Pump it up. Gentlemen, it works. I'll link to the videos down below. I'm just saying, right? Your hair loss. You're losing it? It's not inevitable. You can stop it if you want to. Hair loss is one of the biggest confidence killers in men. I know, because I am wildly insecure about losing my hair, right? And when I thought that I was starting to lose, or I was noticing that my widow's peak was starting to recede, what did I do? Right? I fixed it. I went to Bosley. Gentlemen, if you want to fix it, you want to stop it, you want to get your real hair back, hit the link down below and check out Bosley. They are today's video sponsor, and Bosley is the OG when it comes to hair loss. They've been in the hair restoration business for over 45 years. And when it comes to your hair and restoring it to look amazing, there's nobody that I would recommend you trust other than Bosley. Because when it comes to hair loss, guys, experience matters. Bosley has the latest technology, they've got experienced doctors, and they've got a solution for you at any stage of a hair loss. Whether or not you're completely bald and you want to get your real hair back, Bosley got you covered. If you're somebody that's starting to lose a little bit and you're noticing your hairline's creeping back, or in pictures you're catching a glimpse and your scalp seems to be a little bit more visible, Bosley got you covered. If you notice more hairs on your pillow, Bosley got you covered. But you need to take action. That action is hitting that link down below and grabbing the free, completely free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. You also are going to get a $250 off Bosley gift card. So when you decide, yes, I am ready to feel great about myself and stop being weird and insecure about the fact that I'm losing my hair, or you don't want to lose your hair because you know what's coming. You've seen your dad, you've seen your grandpa, you've seen your brother, and you're like, yo, I look better with hair. You got to do it, gentlemen. It's free. It's freaking free. Hit the link down below, grab the guide. Oh, geez, Alpha, I don't know if I'm actually, really? I can see it. I noticed, she notices, your family notices, everybody knows that you're losing your hair. So stop it. Stop ignoring it and do something about it. Because the sooner you take action, gentlemen, the sooner you're gonna be loving your hair once again. Unless, of course, you're cool going bald. If that's the case, then shave your head, because you only really have two options if you start to lose your hair. Shave your head or go to Bosley, because a comb over, not an option. A bad toupee, not an option. Shave it off or go to Bosley. Gentlemen, if you're ready to go to Bosley, hit the link down below. Like I said, you don't have to wait until it's too late. Do it now, do it fast. Hit the link, grab the guide. Also grab the $250 off Bosley gift card. It is a huge hair loss no-brainer. Do not wait, because the sooner you start, the sooner you're going to be loving your real hair once again. Guys, do you think these guys are happy they went to Bosley? Hell yeah, they are. They look not only amazing, they look crazy confident. Which brings me to the next mistake that's killing your confidence. That is waiting for perfect timing. This is one of the big mistakes and reasons why a lot of people fail to ever start or succeed or do anything amazing. Because they're waiting. They think that all the stars and universes need to be aligned in order for them to go, right? Whether or not it's asking out a girl, whether or not it's getting a new job, whether or not it's like starting a business, like whatever. And you think, if I just read one more book, right? One more book and I'll be good and I'll never fail. Or if I just learn one more thing or watch one more Alpha M YouTube video. Gentlemen, now is the freaking time. Because the truth is, failure is part of the equation. You got to get out there. You've got to try. All right? Jump and figure it out. Oh, geez, Alpha, but what if people laugh at me? What? Huh? What? Oh, wait, stop. Next mistake. Gentlemen, thinking that people think about you. The truth is, we are so consumed with worrying about what other people think of us, when the truth is, they're not thinking about you. The world does not revolve around you. It doesn't revolve around me. Hold on. Let me ask you a question. How much time during the day do you spend thinking about or judging your friends or your family or people that you know? How much time? Exactly. 0. And that's exactly how much other people are thinking about you. They're too self-centered and worried about their own shit, just like you should be worried about yours, right? And the sooner you understand this and realize that people are not judging you, they're not thinking about you, you are going to be free. It's liberating, because you finally can let it go and do what you want to do. The next mistake killing your confidence is that you haven't forgiven yourself yet for not being perfect, or you're living in the past. You're carrying all the baggage, all the shit that happened to you in your life. You're carrying it with you, right? And you think, okay, just because it didn't work before, it's not going to work in the future. And so what happens? It prevents you from truly feeling good about yourself and confident. You got to set it down. You got to let it go. You got to understand that we all do the best job we can. If you learn from your mistakes, if you move forward, that's the only thing you can hope for, right? But beating yourself up and thinking about it and worrying about it and thinking, oh, I didn't, gentlemen, you got to knock it off. Because until you realize that you are amazing and you can accomplish whatever you want, you're never truly going to be confident. You got to set it down, gentlemen. Set the shit down. Which brings me to the last mistake that is preventing you from feeling confident, and that is not being grateful. All right, think about that for a second. Right? Gratitude is an amazing thing, and it's something that each and every one of us should practice on a daily basis. Too often, we compare ourselves to other people, which is another confidence killer. We're going to add that as like a bonus, right? We compare ourselves to other people, and instead of being grateful and thankful for where we are, what we've achieved, the fact that we're healthy, right? The fact that we're breathing, the fact that we have accomplished incredible things, right? We compare ourselves. We worry about what we don't have as opposed to what we do have. But when you stop and you actually sit down and you're grateful and practice gratitude, this is one of the things that is going to facilitate and fuel your creativity, but also your confidence. And when you realize that you don't have to put on an act for anybody because you are enough, you're amazing, and you're thankful for what you do have and who you are as a man, that truly is when you're going to feel amazing about yourself. And when you feel amazing about yourself, your confidence will go through the roof.